more than 88 million active listeners worldwide and over 100 million tracks in their library, Apple Music is one of the leading streaming platforms out there. As they're constantly competing with the likes of Spotify, Amazon Music, Deezer, and YouTube, they're constantly making updates to their platform, and most recently, relevant to you as an independent musician, they've updated Apple Music for artists. So in this video, I'm going to dive into those recent updates, show you how you can claim and customize your profile, figure out how you can better promote your music, understand your target audience, and ensure that you're getting the most out of the platform. To claim your artist profile, you need to first log into your Apple Music for Artists profile. You can do this using your personal Apple ID either on the artist.apple.com website or the mobile app. If you aren't an Apple user yet, you'll need to sign up first and create your Apple ID on the Apple website. After you sign in, tap Request Artist Access and insert your Apple Music artist page link to search. To find the link, search your artist name in the Apple Music search bar. Then select one of your releases to make sure that you're claiming the correct artist page. Make sure that you're assigned the role of a primary artist on your release. As a featuring artist, producer, or a songwriter or lyricist, you won't be able to claim the artist profile. Select your role, either artist, manager, or label representative, and fill out the requested application form. The ultimate goal of this is to have Apple Music verify your identity as an artist or identify the relationship you have with your respective artist or band. Bear in mind that only artists, artist managers, or label reps are allowed to claim artist pages on the platform. To speed up the reviewing and verification process, be sure to include as much information as possible, such as links to your website or social media pages. Once your request is approved, Apple will send an email to your verified Apple ID account. Once you claim your artist page, you can start customizing your profile under the artist content section. This will give you a better opportunity to personalize your page, as well as connect with existing and potential fans. You can get started by uploading your profile picture and providing some additional personal information, such as your other names, your hometown, date of birth, music genre, or your pronouns. As of now, you can also create a personalized biography by answering a set of short questions that will appear on your Apple Music artist page. This is a big change for the platform, as before, a musician's bio was generated by a third-party app called AllMusic, or it was simply written by Apple's editorial team. However, what hasn't changed with Apple Music for Artists is that you still don't have the ability to share a link to your website, social media pages, or links to playlists with your fans like you can do on platforms like Spotify or TrackSource. Your artist content also consists of a music and video section which provides an overview of your music and video releases, including all relevant release metadata such as release data, title artist, genre, and language. Album metadata additionally includes the record label and track listing info. One of the best features in this section is the ability to add lyrics to your individual tracks. This presents a great tool for your fans to connect deeper with your music, and it often leads to increased engagement and longer streams for your tracks. The whole process of submitting your lyrics has been simplified, as all you have to do is copy your pre-formatted lyrics and paste them into the lyrics section of your individual tracks. If you happen to see that your lyrics include mistakes or are not showing up correctly, don't hesitate to click on Request a Change in the lyrics section. Here, you can state the individual mistakes alongside the correct version of the lyrics. Another huge advantage of claiming your Apple Music for Artists profile is the Analytics section. This section gives you access to a large amount of valuable information about your music, including the number of streams, most played tracks, playlists your tracks are on, number of listeners, or number of purchases. As part of this new feature rollout, Apple has introduced a new section called Measure that will provide insights into all your necessary data. The first tab of the Measure section, Overview, allows you to view how your music is performing in categories such as latest plays, average daily listeners, and song purchases. It also allows you to see your milestones, top cities, video plays, and Shazams of your songs. Fun fact, Shazam was acquired by Apple back in 2018, so no surprise why it's integrated here. Moving forward in the Measure section, the tab Trends helps you explore what's been trending for you and use the data to identify possible marketing opportunities for your music. Here, you can view where your target audience is based and how many Shazams, song plays, and downloads you're getting for a selected time frame. Additionally, you can filter your results based on what you'd wish to see and break out the information about your audience and their consumption of your music by gender, age, and location. To help you uncover more about your audience, the tab Places shows you where exactly your listeners are located by state, country, region, and city. This information can help you get an idea of where your music is particularly popular and is often used by artists to plan tour dates. Finally, to see where all your music is listed, you can check out the tab Your Music in the Measure section. Here, you can better explore all your releases, Shazams, as well as playlists featuring your music. And that's all you need. It might seem like a little bit up front, but once you get the ball rolling and start setting up your page, I think you'll find it pretty easy. If you have any questions about anything we covered here today or would like to dive a little bit deeper into Apple Music for artists, drop your questions in the comments below and check out our guide link in the description. We'll see you next time.